Ciao nice people! Welcome to the stream again, where we continue developing every... Oh, sorry, didn't mean to scare you with all this code, I'm sorry, but this time I went all off on the code and I'm actually enjoying it. Because I'm learning a lot of things on programming. For example, out of stream, in the last 2 days, well, actually only today, I was fixing the enemy AI. Because we saw last time that it was always targeting themselves. Because apparently there was a problem of overriding values. Since now I start working a lot with arrays, they start overriding themselves. The problem was it was referencing global values. So only now I realize how important it is to define a new variable inside every function. Well, before I defined them in the... Well, I used only the name. And yeah, that created some problems. The updates I did... Well, first I will show you what I'm doing. Well, first of all, now the enemy finally doesn't target itself. Move down. Wait. Let me see again his pattern, his movement. Okay, green, then blue. There should be a wait for it though. It did only one step and didn't target it himself. Yeah, I did that by sorting the array based on a value true or false. I set that instead of returning the first valid target for the skill, it compiled every single target for the skill in the possible futures array here, including the value like the distance from the target and if the caster is on the target of the skill. So by sorting it last, I will give priority to the moves that don't hit the user. Also, I also made something like a rough behavior. So if I say like closer in the parameter here, the enemy will prioritize the tiles where he is closer to the player. So I will do 2 steps left now. Or instead, it can get the further behavior. So I will try to move the further away. Also, I randomized the possible places it can go, in case two have the same priority. Well, the furthest it can go is staying still, since this is the range of the move. Okay, that's what I did. I also fixed the problem that, well, it wasn't just a missing weight for the spike. So, what are we going today? What are we doing? Well, for now we can technically kill the enemy, but because they do fixed damage. So now the enemy is dead, but there is no end of the battle. So what do we do now? We need to first have all the stats, right? Attack, mana, defense maybe? I would like to insert attack and magical attack. Just in case the player wants to specialize on one of those. Because otherwise boosting just attack is a brain dead choice, right? So yeah, we'll probably insert all the RPG values. I need to put them here? Not really, we can have... I have an idea. We could have 2 arrays. One that says the player permanent stats and the temporary stats. Player permanent, define health and mana, and player temporary, which we set as equal to the permanent one for now. That means every start of the battle we copy those values, but we never change player permanent, except if he gets any upgrade outside of battle. They revert to permanent after the battle. So we need to use value 31 if we want to refer to HP. Let's see, we need to change where we get the HP of the player then. So, here. Player values. Can we do anything? Yeah. We can do... Actually, I have an idea. We can simply do 31 0. While for the MP we can do 31 1. What is this? Well, the numbers here refer to the variable we are storing the info in. Like the X of the player is on the variable 2, Y on the 3, and so on. HP is still stored in the variable 31, but it's not a variable with a single number, it has multiple numbers. So, it says that we are gonna check variable 31, the first value, the value number 0. Same with MP. Also, we can, I don't even know if it's necessary, but we can add the max HP and max MP, which are stored here on the player permanent value. This is the starting HP and MP. So here, in the variable 30, we have the permanence, the max health, and the 31, the current health. Okay. We should order them better, maybe. For example, here we have the info like movement. We should have here the stats for the battle and the permanent stats below. So we can go with attack, well, atk, which will be stored as the next value. So we can go 31 2, def, 31 3. I would probably copy paste, it's faster. Here, matk, no, yeah, mat is fine as the next value, and as last, mdf. Okay, so we can vaguely define some of those, like the attack is 12, defense is 10, magical attack is 8, defense is 9. Here, and those values get copied in the temporal variable for the battle. So those still don't work because it's reading the variable, not the extra value here. So we need to make a small fix. So we need first to get the so usually we get the number here, but sometimes it's not a number. So what do? We need to make a condition. If we can also change the name, ref variable. If the reference variable is not an array, how do we check if it's an array? I don't remember. We just check the length. I don't remember how to check if something is an array. So let's see. Okay, there's a function for that. Is array. Array.isArray. I love how you check something that's named array if it's an array. Okay, pretty simple. So if the reference variable is array, is that a thing? Doesn't highlight anything. Is array. Should be right. Wait, I'm confused. Why there are two parameters? This is a constant. Never mind. So we can do array.isArray. Okay. Now makes sense. And we check the reference variable for this. So if it's an array, that means we got those values. So we need to split them. So, or instead of splitting them, we just return this value. So the reference variable is var id is the first parameter, while index is the second parameter. And so we get the information from the variable based on the index. Okay. Otherwise, if it's not an array, we return the variable, the whole variable, which is a number. Okay, sounds pretty straight. Let's see if it causes problems. I don't think so, because the... I knew it. I knew it. Maybe because... I don't know. Variable. Where do I say variable? (662). Okay, yeah. Should be ref variable here. Okay. I changed the name. And now it's working. Okay. It's working well. Now. What did you want to do? Yeah, the damage. Well, before the damage, we should first draw the health and everything. So, how do we draw the health? Do we do it on the corner of the screen? I think we should. Yeah. Yeah, we should have a picture with the interface. Ooh, I will see what I can find. We should do something with hearts, because by storing images for it, I found something that uses hearts. I don't remember where, but it definitely is there. Oh well. Do we want to have hearts? I think a bar would be better. A bar would be way easier. Let's do the bar. So, how do we do it? We need to draw it. We have luckily we already have the section for the picture. Is a timer? I wonder if we could use part of this code. Yeah, we definitely can. So, function show picture, no, show filling bar. I hope it's not used anywhere. I don't think it is. And we define it. And here update filling bar. And last one, delete filling bar. I call it filling bar just to have a fancier name and to because you fill the bar, right? Empty or full. So the parameter we probably want the pick ID, or we can have the bar ID, which would be a similar thing. We want the value. And we also want the coordinates, right? Yeah. While to update it, we just need the value. And to delete it, we just want a bar. Okay, that's alright. For now we do. Okay, it won't be simple, but let's go. So. I wonder here. I want to move this part here, because I think it would be easier. We could actually take a lot of these. Let's see. The basis here. The show picture. Okay. And we call show filling bar. We define the ID, which will be pick ID. The name will be defined here. Okay. The zeros are method, the X and Y, so the chords. Yeah, I think... I wonder if we... No, it's fine. Then we should get the parameters timer X and timer Y. Okay. The sides, is it important? I think it would. So, sides. Yeah. Chords. We can have it as a coordinate, maybe. Okay, so the X is in chords 0. Chords 1. And the side is in chords 2. Okay. The opacity is not really necessary. So that's it. The same below, right? Should be a little offset, but we can fix it later. Okay. We just need the other parameter, which is the value of the bar. It starts from 0 though, so we can set it 0. No, wait. No, it should be full, right? When you start a picture timer, the picture should be full. Yeah, because here we set the bar full. The size of 1 is actually the length. That's interesting. See, right? Yeah, time left. Let's see. Well, it starts full. So I would say... The value should be 100% though, to start. So here, the sides of X, it's wide. We show the filling bar progress. So if it's full, the size is 100% of its size. If it's empty, it's 0%. So let's go. The value should be in percentage again. So length. Let bar percentage is value, which probably redundant, but sure, let's go. Okay, I think we have it. Here we set a picture, size timer XY. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. And it calls show filling bar. Let's see if it works for now. I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah. Let's see again. We should definitely program that enemy shouldn't move on spikes by default. We can do it later. Okay, here is the bar. Time for update the bar. We only need the value. The coordinates are not even relevant. The pause isn't needed. Here, tick down timer. We just want this one, right? Which is update the filling bar here. Which we set time left. Which is the percentage. Size time value here. We can just do it here actually, instead of bar percentage. Or we can call it bar percentage, I think it's more easy to read. Okay, even here. The size is not a parameter, but should be saved. So, var picture fill information. For now it's empty. That means every time we create a picture, we should update the value inside. Based on the bar ID we have. So for example, we need to set the coordinates. We should save it as a parameter here. Let bar x, let bar y. So we can update them later better. Same on the bar size. And I'm not talking about a very big bar where I need to eat with friends. That's not the bar I want. Even if eating at a big bar is interesting, I would say. Okay, so I save the parameters of the bar x, bar y, and the bar size. Do we need anything else? I don't think so. Why is this an error? Did I wrote it wrong? No. Ah, I'm defining it again. Oops. Okay. That's the only thing we need, right? Yeah. Okay. So here, again, we draw picture fill information based on bar ID, first value, the x. The y is the value 1, and the size is the value 2. It's using a lot of space. Oh well. Okay, and here it is. Anything else? The bar percentage is used here? Okay. And we should update. I don't think there's anything to update. While to delete it, we just use this thing. Yeah. Res picture based on the bar ID. This one. Okay, and as an extra thing, we should reset the information. Okay. So this calls delete bar. And the ID is this one, picture timers data. Based on the ID of the picture. Same thing here. On update filling bar, instead of calling this thing, Did we remove it? Yeah, okay. So we insert the timer AD, which I think I forgot something. No, it's fine. Which is the parameter 5? Wait. PKD. Ooh. Will this be a problem? Yeah, because the timer ID is not the picture ID. They don't match. Oh, extra problems. Here, okay. We have the parameter here. PKD. While for the new value will be the time left. We have it. Okay, that's it. We replaced the old method with a very updated one. Let's see if it still holds. I'm surprised it's not crashing at all. Like, I'm surprised it's still working. Wow. Wow. Okay, so we have the method to draw pictures more generally. Now, we should draw the bar. We already have the function here. We draw it on some coordinates, right when the game starts. We need to draw two pictures though, mana and health. So the picture idea, let's go, I don't know, 14, 15, okay. And the other one is 17. Also we need the percentage and coordinates. For now it's 100%. And coordinates, well, we can make, I don't know, in the bottom, in the top left. No, but there is the other one on the top, never mind. Bottom left. I don't know, 600, no. 10, 600. And default size. We can have default size as an extra parameter. Because we don't need it here. While the mana is a little lower. Wait, not 6000, okay. Also, here we can have size, by default is 100. We can call it bar size, okay. So this is not needed. So the size will be a parameter outside. Okay, only there. Now, this will be called at the start of the game. I don't know about the position. Let's see. Oh, something is wrong and it's not with my world map. The fact of the start fading those is interesting. I don't know how it's happening. Is this Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom reference? God of overlays went overworked here. Okay. Also, yeah, there should be a parameter color. We should have it here. Before the sides. Color equal red. By default. So we will save also bar color. Will be an extra parameter. That means we need to insert it here. For now, red. We can call it timer color, just in case. Okay. In case of what, I don't know. I like changing names, okay? I will probably change the name of my first newborn like a bunch of times. Nah, I'm kidding. Okay, so it draws the picture. So why though it draws it in this way? That's a good question. Here. The 100 maybe is the problem. Maybe should be a percent. Let's see. Time left. Ah, okay, yeah, it's between 0 and 1. So yeah, should be divided by 100. Or should be just a value between 0 and 1. Okay. Okay, more reasonable. The point is, why is the bar not moving? Something is wrong and it's not with my word. It's still running though, so it just doesn't show. Maybe it's a color problem? Why doesn't it show? Because, oh, I don't know. Bar percentage. How much is it? But I don't think it matters because the value gets updated later and we saw that it works. I'm confused. Maybe because we changed the parameter here. Let's see. Color and sides should be fine. Ah, the side is defined here. Yeah. Maybe because it's not... No. It's defined by default. Weird. Because it defines 100 here again. Same mistake. Though weird that it doesn't get fixed. It should, right? Yeah, that's not a problem. The problem is on update the bar. Maybe the value is getting overwritten, but I don't know. Oh, hi Danix, how it's going? Are you making yet? Are you developing? What are you doing here? Go develop the game. You can't even say I'm not doing it, okay? Listen. Wait, as long as it loads. Never mind, it doesn't. Steam is low. Danix, where are you? I'm not seeing you here saying RPG Maker is open, you know? Oh, well, I can forgive you this time since you're following the stream. Only this time though, only this time. I will let Owari know. We are programming the game for the game jam here. I'm at bar with Owari. Okay, then it's fine. Touching grass once in a while is allowed. We are developing the game for the game jam, and here we programmed some sort of grid-based movement and targeting even, which required more effort than I thought, but here it's working. Now we are trying to fix the problem that the timer bar suddenly emptied here, which should have a bar that it's ticking down, which it doesn't. Let's see. Bar percentage. I think this value is right. Maybe there's a problem with the pictures. Yeah, you see the bar is ticking down here. That means the problem is on showing the bar. Maybe the parameter is not saving correctly. I think that's the issue. Very cool, but the system... Well, that's half of the game. The main feature is you can dodge every enemy move. Explosion! Yeah, here we go. You can dodge every enemy move, but enemy moves generate some hazards on the map, like spikes, ice. So you need to, on the same time, maneuver around a normal battle system on the ties, and manage the free movement outside of it. Still, I have to implement a lot of things to make it more automatic, more feelable. I don't think it's a word. Oh well. Yeah, I think the problem is here we are not doing the right thing. Because here it gets the X, Y? The scale, maybe? The sides, yeah. Oh no, wait. How is the bar size? This value. Because it should be 100. Oh, I'm wrong. Wrong one. Okay. Say hello to Rhea. Let's see the bar. It's still not showing. And wait, because we get the wrong parameter. The third one is the color, not the size. Oh, hello Regetta, how it's going? We are here having fun on programming and variables and timers and pictures that don't show. But I think the problem here is I got the wrong order on the list I saved. Yeah, I got the color before the sides. So should be the value 3, not the value 2. Just a mistake on reading values. Okay, let's go. Nice wallpaper. Yeah, I know it's a well. I'm not really showing the desktop because it's not in order, but I have the picture here. Oh wait, it's the full picture. No, I don't think. Yeah, this is the real picture, a fan art of my game made by Megami Maju, and it's incredible. I'm cutting the left part. I'm sorry, but yeah, I love this fan art. There is Fazei. There is the title of the game. There is Lea. That is, well, shutting down the computer. I love this fan art. Just to be safe, I'm not showing the left part. Let's see now if it works. It should. Yeah, it is. The bar is moving. Okay, you can see the bar is not fully centered, but it's a problem for later, which we should address now. So, where do we have it? We should define it as a global variable. A constant. So picture fill offset, which will have x and y. I would say 2 pixels and 1 pixel. I will see how it goes. So for the picture on top of this, we add the offset x and the offset y, which should be added even after. They should be multiplied by the scale though. So never mind, we should define them here. Let bar offset x and the other one. Okay, so I can make it a little more practical or easier to fix, because I can multiply it by the scale. We can define it here, sure, which is the value number 3 as we saw before. So we multiply the offsets by the scale. It's not a lot since it's 1 or 2 pixels, but maybe we need a different number. Who knows? Who knows? Wait, was it already a... Ah yeah, it was already a parameter here. Ah, so I got it wrong. Wait. Okay. So we sum the offset x and the offset y. Same here. Even if this time we need to define bar size, which, as we saw before, it's stored in the third value. Okay. So we sum the offset x and y again. And since we have the bar size here, we can insert the parameter. Okay. To make it shorter and more readable. Okay. And that's it. I think the offset is not not right, we can increase it a little. Okay. At least to 4 and 2. Let's see. Oh, we messed up again. I don't know why, but we messed up again. What's the problem here? Ah, yeah, I get why. The bar size is up by the... wait. Okay, I think it's starting to get confusing because sometimes the bar percentage is a number between 0 and 1. But when I define it, the size is 100. No, those are two different values. Yeah, we need to normalize those. Or we can, yeah, have the bar size being a number between 0 and 1 again. Because we were multiplying the offset by 100 and it's probably not right. Weird that it still didn't show because 200 is a place on screen. Pretty valid. Okay, then the bar size should be updated. Size. Okay, so it's stored here. On the value number 4. These ones, okay. So we convert to a decimal one. Okay, way perfecter. More perfect. I'm still not sure if that's the mistake, the issue, but let's see. Where is my bar? Where the hell is my bar? Why is the bar not appearing now? Did we mess up again something? Yeah, maybe applying this... okay, yeah. Now it's minuscule. I would say... Listen, I think it was better as it was before, never mind. So... we just multiply everything or divide everything by 100. And it should be fixed. Same here. I think this is the easiest to fix. Let's go. Okay, those are the bars, which are not perfectly aligned, but we can fix it later. The timer is still not going, though. Why? With the bar size, which is stored here. Are we saving it? Yeah, 100. I'm confused. Oh no, oh no. Okay, let's see. What if we don't update the bar? Maybe just to see if the issue is defining the bar or drawing it. Because drawing here seems fine. Yeah, okay, yeah, updating the bar is the issue. I get a wrong value here. So the bar size... let's see. We update the bar number ID plus 1. The bar percentage is here, multiplied by the size. Should be right. And here we sum the offset. That sounds solid, but where's the issue? I don't know here. We should... honestly, I have no idea. Oh, hello, Leaf! Thanks a lot for the raid! Oh, I appreciate it a lot! How it's going? How it's going? We are here trying to fix the health bars on the game. Well, they kinda work, but after they decrease, they don't appear anymore. We finally managed to have an enemy AI, which was more complicated than usual. And the bar, after it updates, it disappears. I still need to fix it. Maybe because it's not a full value? I need to see. Going good. Praise be, thanks. Yeah, we finally managed to make an AI, so we are trying to have some sort of base playable game. With HP bars that show everything, and also attack and defense stats. Maybe the problem is the bar size and percentage is not an integer number. Okay, for testing purposes, we should replace those values one by one. For example, the scale of the bar. Okay, that was not the issue, let's know. The offset and the base coordinates. Let's see if those were the issue. Well, that's not a lot left. Okay, yeah, that was the issue. The coordinates were wrong. We can restore it. Why are they wrong? We see now. Or we can do an alert, sure. Ah no, then it crashes. Console log. And we can have every information about the picture based on this ID. Okay. Maybe we are giving the wrong ID? Could it be? No. We are not. Okay, let's see. Wait. Did we someone? No, it's fine. Ah, weird. Let's see. Maybe on tick down timer. Ah, maybe. No, the coordinates are not needed. My suspicion is we are getting the wrong ID for the picture. Because I stored information about the picture to avoid, well, repeating them every time. Calls this. The information about the picture, which is X, Y, color and scale. I don't see anything wrong about it, though. Seems completely right. Again, we got the first parameter, which is X, second is Y. Maybe the offset is wrong. No, right. Let's see. Oh, wait. It's not this one. Okay. Let's print the offset X and Y. Because maybe they are an issue. Maybe they are not full numbers. That's what is messing it up, maybe. Let's see. Not a number. Interesting. Okay, we found the issue. Why is it an issue, though? Bar size maybe is... Oh, it's a full number. And we get... Ah, wait, because I referenced the wrong variable here. Okay. We are referencing the third value of this array, which doesn't exist. I got the parameter wrong. So, we should get instead picture field information of the bar ID. Third parameter. That was the issue. Now, it should work. Yeah, here we have it. We can change the thing a little more. Like the parameters here. To have it a little more centered. I love when I can change stuff this easily. Should be aligned. Yeah, here we have it. Maybe 1 pixel down can do, but we still need to replace those. Still, why not 5.5? Okay, so now that it's working, we need to update the health value if we take damage. And we should also have an enemy bar value, but I have a problem. Where do I place the enemy bar value? Where do I place the enemy health bar? Maybe I can have it hidden or... Okay, the mana, I don't think it's needed to show. I don't think I need to show mana. But about the health bar, should be on the top of the enemy, but that's not really simple to make. Well, it actually is doable. I have an idea. Yeah, because this is a turn-based thing, so the enemies will always be still. Let me try... Oh, this will be quite a lot of work, right? Yes! But placing it on the side is not good to see, actually, so... I don't care. Let's program it. So, we have... No, what the hell? Function show enemy health bar. And we need the event ID of the enemy. Okay. So first we get information, like the coordinates. Oh, we actually need the screen coordinates. How do we get screen coordinates? I don't remember. Let's see. Screen X. Oh, perfect. We have it here. Okay, map events. Event ID. Screen X. Same with screen Y. You ask me why? I answer screen Y. Same with screen Y. Okay, so we have the parameters. Now, we just need to draw the bar right there. Sounds easy, right? Maybe it is, I don't know, never tried. So, show filling bar. We need all the parameters. Let's see. Show filling bar. Bar ID is, I don't know. Yeah, which bar ID should we use? We should have the ID equal to event ID, but for now we can go Wait, I have an idea. 50 plus event ID. As long as we don't have 50 events, should be fine. Percentage is the health. So we don't know how much it is now. The chords, we know them. It's screen X, screen Y. The color is, let's say, red. And the size is way smaller, so we can go 30 maybe. Okay, we need the health percentage. It's simple, we divide max health by current health. Or current health by max health. Do we get this information though here? Let's see. Here we get information about the enemy. HP, current HP though. And MP, current MP. Yeah. I think it's simple though, because they are stored here. Max MP, max HP, here it is. We just need to ask about those values. So it's actually simple because we already programmed it. We can get the max HP value from this. That item, enemy ID, meta, max HP. While the current HP is stored in enemy values, which we access here. We already programmed this, so we just need to call get character info. So, get character info, the event ID, and we to select actual HP. And we divide the value by the maximum HP. So, max HP. So here, by dividing those, we don't even need to multiply it by 100, right? Yeah. Okay, so should be right? I would be surprised if it works first try. let's see. We can do it on the enemy turn, sure. Or on player action, why not? Let's say enemy 10. Yeah, here it is. We just need to let the visual fix because it's very fixed. Okay, we need some parameter fixing, but we should just center it on the center, right? No, because... We should have an offset, yeah. Because it starts from the enemy part. I would say screen X minus 40 needs to be changed during the game, I have the feeling though. Here it is. A little more maybe, but again, depends. Depends on the perspective, or how someone said, depends on the point of view. It's fine if it only appears here. It needs to be deleted though after. We can have an event for it. Hide enemy health bar. It's way simpler, we just remove the picture. Beer. No alcohol in Waldorf streams, okay? It's forbidden. Okay, here it's simple, we delete the value based on the event ID. Oh wait, it was 50 plus event ID. We could also define it here. Const enemy health bar of picture ID offset. I long names, I know. We can do 60. So the first 60 pictures will not get overridden by this. I love long names that don't get repeated elsewhere. Okay. Now we want to draw it at the start of player action and delete it at the end of the player action. So we just do delete filling bar. Oh wait. No, it's called hide enemy health bar. Though there is a problem. The parameter 10 only works for this battle because the enemy is ID 10 and there's only one of them. That means we need to do it for every enemy on the field. Or you know what? I think it's better if I just don't take any parameter and draw all of them. I don't think there's a problem with it, right? Yeah. Yeah, I think it's perfect. Not really? Wait, because when we attack an enemy, we want to only see his health. So the others should be hidden. I don't know. Let's see. By default, this one is a minus one. That means if we don't take any parameter, we say yeah, select everyone. That means first we don't take any parameter, so we interpret it as show everything. We should try it with a second enemy sooner or later. Okay, and so here we need to make a loop for, well, first we need to select all the events. If event ID is equal to -1, we need to store the list of enemies. Otherwise, it's just event ID. For now, it's empty. So in the case of only one value, the list becomes only the event ID. Otherwise, I add every value inside the variable that saves every enemy ID, which is defined at the start of the battle here, in the variable 27. So here. We don't even need this. Since we can define it here. Okay. By default is this, otherwise it gets overridden with this. So in the loop, we can go let. Oh, that's the problem. I always forget to set let. I discovered only today let how important it is, because it creates its own context. I know it's with out of context. Yeah. So j less than enemy list length. So for every enemy in the list, which could also be 1, what do we do? Well, all of the stuff we did for the single picture. So we take the event ID list, which is current enemy ID, which is stored in the enemy list, as I said. Could be only 1 or could be more than 1. In this case is the parameter on the J position of the current iteration. So here we take the coordinates, the information, and we draw the picture on that position. Should be right. Same with deleting the health bar. Or I think we don't need to define a parameter here. It just deletes everything. So here we do the same thing, except instead of drawing them, we delete them. Oh, we can keep the first parameter, okay. Instead of drawing, we delete it. Okay, should be just this. Okay, this parameter is not here. Let me fix it a little. Okay. That's it. Okay, let's see if it works. It should disappear after the user attack. So, I knew it. Can variables, not a function? Did I wrote it wrong, probably. Ah, yeah, I forgot the part in between. It's called like this, value. Okay. Let's see now. Okay, we see the health and attack. Ah, oh well. My turn, dodge it now, and we see the health of the enemy. Nice. So, as an extra thing, well, for now we are not dealing damage, but after you select the target, all the health of the enemies should disappear when you select the target. And only after I target all the enemies, it should draw the health. We can do this later though. So, now we should update those values. How do we do it? Good question. So, first of all, we should go back on the... what is it? But logistic maybe? Yeah, use skill on target. Well, we get the user, the target, and the skill. So we can get every information to get the damage they do. First though, I feel like the enemy needs its own parameters. So, we have the enemy list here, which only have max HP and MP. We should add other parameters like attack, defense, magic attack, how it's called? Magic attack, right? MAT. And magic defense. That's all we need, right? MAT modifier. Did we say them? Yeah. We have a name here. Where? Here. MAT modifier def attack. Okay, okay, it's right. So for the enemy, we just need to call them here and it will automatically read it here. as we did last time. So, pathologistic, we change the HP of someone. The damage is 12, but we need to calculate it. Let user attack, let target defense. Okay, this changed based on the skill. So, we default by 1-1. Or, we don't need even to define it, right? Okay. And we need to see the skill ID type. We want some magic to differentiate a little. So, for example, we can have a mini skill. Here on the damage, we can define... is type fine? Yeah, type. Magic. Or physical. Can make one physical, the other magical. Okay. So here, based on that, we need to get a skill ID information. Can we get information? Well, we can just take the information somewhere around here. Where? I swear, here. So again, we read the information directly from the item. So, skill used, it's already this one, but we need to get the thing that it's referencing. And here we get the stat. Which of them is right, though? Well, we don't need to define those here. Okay, so we need to get the type of skill. So, type. We just get type. Now, based on the type, we define the parameters. If type is equal to physical, we need to get the right values. We need to get the user magic physical attack and the target physical attack defense. So we can just we can do something here. Let needed parameters, and we define them here. So needed parameters will be attack and defense. Otherwise, we need, as long as we don't add a third type of parameter, magic attack and magic defense. So now the user attack will be the correspective parameter here. Needed parameter 0. While for the defense will be the needed parameter 1, which will be defense or magical defense. Now, what will be our damage formula? We can go with the default RPG Maker one, right? Let's go with the default one, sure. Let total damage user attack times 4 minus user defense. No, target defense times 2. Since we definitely take less damage in RPG Maker here, we can divide everything by 3. Or by 2, I don't know. Attack times 4 is a lot. Or it's the same, right? From multiplying the attack by 2. Okay, that's simpler. And here instead of 20 damage, we say total damage. And instead of returning true or false, we should return the damage. Yes. So we return as a first parameter if it's dead or not. Or I will go on second. On the first parameter though is total damage. Otherwise, total damage falls if it doesn't die. Can we to fix it here? Because the use skill on the target should receive if the enemy is dead. The enemy got it. Wait. Here. Oh, who does call... Wait. This one. Is this called anywhere? Yeah, here. Okay, this is the result of the attack. Okay, so this time we need to check the second value, which says if it's dead or not. And we should also return the damage we do. There should be a number on top of the enemy. We should use a plugin for that. Because why not? I do it on... something is wrong with my world map. Let's see. The type of the plugin is not the most efficient, but let's see. Where is it? Maybe I never order my games very well. At least I still have them. Here it is, our game. Here, yeah. The plugin is map pop-up, this one, right? Yeah. So we can activate it. And I think we can just call the plugin. Can we call code? I love when you can call code. Oh, here. Wait. No, wait. Never mind. There is code, so maybe there is hope. Here it is. Start text pop-up. Awesome. That's super simple. We need to set game map events, event ID, start text pop-up. Let's see if it works. We can do it right when we take damage. Battle logistic. Okay. Game map events, event ID, which is the target. What parameter is the target? Wait. Wait, what are we doing? Target is not used. So how do you get the parameters? Wait. There's something wrong and it's not with my world map. So, skill ID. We use it to get the skill that you use. The user is not even defined, so where do we get the value here? Yeah, that's wrong. This is the ID. So at least we know the ID is this one. We can say event ID, target. The text is the damage. So I would say total damage. And the color, how do I call the color? Is an example. Text color code, let me see. Wait, it's not even here? Did I activate it? Okay, that's the point. Okay, let me see better. So, text color. Okay, it's a number, just a number. Let's go with 1. 2, just to be fancy. And should work, right? Though something is wrong, again. Because the user ID is not used, but it's necessary to calculate the damage, so I brought it wrong here. Yeah, because here we are referencing the skill. We need to reference the user. So get a character info. The character is the user. And the info we need is stored here. Attack or magical attack. Same with the target. This time we need the second parameter, which is defense or magical defense, and about the target. Regardless of it's the player or not. Should be right now. Let's see what's going wrong. Because it never goes right the first time, right? Let's see. Auto. I think it counts. Oh, there is no damage pop-up. I feel scammed. Why? We can go alert target to see if it's a number or not. Because maybe it's not a number and it's not working. I don't know. 10. It's the right one, but there is no pop-up. Maybe it got messed up by the ultra mode and the zoom. It doesn't launch, right? Yeah. Just for once, let's see. Here. Okay, even like this as its fashion. Oh well. You're not letting me test today, right? We can do it ourselves though, but let's see. Why doesn't it work? Or we reactivate it because it's so cool, but when I start selecting the target, okay, interesting. Why? Select move. Why am I calling it? Well, let's see. Ah, here. Ah, to get the touch input, right? Well, this goes deeper than I thought. Well, we can just not launch this thing and see what happens. Too many changes to test a plugin though. There is no damage pop-up though, so that's not a problem. It just doesn't start. What if we do it here then? Maybe we are inputting the wrong parameter. Should be not a number, a integer, a string. Event ID 10. And color is, let's see the 2. Oh, freaking sure, ultra mode, come back. Maybe now it looks cooler. It's still not showing anything. Why? It clearly says here, start text pop-up. Maybe I should do an item pop-up? Sure, let's try. Item ID, sure. I don't care as long as it works. This is the event 10. Why not checking, right? I should do it. Oh, okay. Something appears. Again, though, this is an item pop-up. Oh, wait. Also, this starts before. Maybe I didn't see it. Let's see again. Okay, there is something there, actually, at 33. It's not lasting for a lot. We should have a longer pop-up duration. Like 90 frames, even. Oh, it's not popping up. Wait. Sometimes it doesn't start. Here we have it. With other skill? Maybe only if I target him, it doesn't appear. Why exactly? I mean, they put it somewhere? No. Where do they put it? Here. It definitely runs. I'm still confused. Save this. Maybe the alert stopped it? I don't know. Also, numbers should be bigger, I feel like. No, here. Oh, doesn't play. Oh. What's the condition to run it? I'm confused. Oh, wait. Maybe this one is Maybe this one is working. Maybe this one is working, not the other one. Ah, never mind. Now it's working. For whatever reason. Maybe because there were two at the same time? I honestly don't know. Let's see again. And if I target him... Programming is a mysterious science. I know. We could try to solve it by calling the plugin. For now. Let's try again. So we write numbers. And why a 2? Should be the ID, right? Maybe I wrote it wrong. Let's see again. Probably somewhere here. Maybe I overshoot it. Aha! But I remember there was I lost it. Here. Script calls. Yeah, I love script calls. Ah, wait, because the event ID was already used here. Yeah. Okay. Text color. Yeah. Is there an example? I feel like though it should be like this. Maybe it was not a string, but otherwise I should call the plugin as it is. Okay, it was not targeted though. Let's see again. Why are you not working? Well, I have a way, but... Do you have Okay, okay. So, I have a way, but requires some extra writing. Let's see. Where is it called? Ties plugin. I let it call the plugin like this. Let's see. Okay, it's defined in the other code. Okay, here. You call a plugin like this. Call command and all this stuff. We can do the same thing here. So again on battle logistic. Instead of calling the code that supposedly doesn't work, we call like this. So we need to open you a little. I'm sorry. Here. So sure, trustworthy. Let's see. Map. Where is it? Parameters. Maybe a little lower. Okay, I don't. Doesn't matter if it's codified or not. We are almost here. start text pop-up. Or just text. It's called just text. Have some fantasy here. Wait, I don't remember how it's called. Start text pop-up. Okay. Yeah, it's called text. That's it. Let's see. So you call text from the TSR map pop-up. Can I copy the name? I think this works. We need the parameters like this. We need to define the text, which repeats text. For now, let's see random number. Guardian will be approving this. Then, second one is the target. Then is color. Let's say 10. Color, let's say 1. Then, facultative one is duration, pose X, pose Y. Pose, how do I do with pose X? I think I should just do empty. And pose Y. Okay, that's nice. I think that's everything. Okay. I hope it's fine if I don't define any value. Should I do like undefined? Maybe it's better. Okay. Let's see if it works. Oh no, I overwrite this one. I need it. We can save this and restore it. Okay, now it's working. And we can call the command right here. And see if it works. Please work. Finger crossed. So it really calls... Look at how many times it's called text. And not that much though. Yeah, I'm not scrolling all of those. Okay, here. Yeah, it's the name of the command. Oh, but wait. Wait. Where is the argument text? Ah, here, okay. They just share the same name. Okay. Please work, I swear. Finger crossed, work. Well, not in target, but... just work. Why did a random island appear out of nowhere? Did we call the wrong plugin again? Yes. Did we paste the wrong one? Yes, again. Because we forgot to change the name of it. Yeah, okay. Text and the name is this stuff. I don't want to work on other plugins here, I just want to program on stream. Please, work. No, I think I will fix it out of stream then. That's less important. So, we can work on updating the health bar then. This will be done later. So apart from this, we can hide. Okay. We already did the calculation. We should update the bar. So we have. We could call change enemy health bar. So we can easily call it like this. Which we need event ID. And how do we define it? We just need the event ID actually, because the health of the enemy is did already change. So we need to get character HP and character max HP. Again, we get it with our incredible function get character info. Event ID HP. Another one is max HP. I hope it's written like this. Wait, it's not matching. I should because here it's HP and the other is MP. It's better if I do it constantly, like max HP, max MP. That means we need to update it here. Max HP. And even here? No. So we get information, HP and max HP. Now, since we have the information, we know the percentage of the bar. So, health percentage will be character max HP that is dividing the HP. Okay, also we need to define the values, otherwise we may get other problems. Okay, we have the percentage. Now we move the bar, something like update filling bar here. Bar ID and percentage, that's it. The ID is event ID plus the enemy health bar picture ID offset, long name, and the health percentage. Easy. Which goes between 0 and 1, so it's right. That's it, right? We just need to call this. And we will call it in the change character value, which we call right below. So after we update the value, we call change enemy health bar, and we set the target. Let's see if it works. We need to remember to change it. Also, we may want to have some animation in it, because for now the change is instant. So we should add an extra parameter, which is the time. For now we can go almost a second. But by default, it's 1 time. Which is this one. Okay. Now we can get also some cool animation. That's nice. Why is he dead? Dead! We won! I didn't even knew you can win at a game like this, but nice. Okay, what the hell happened? I'm not even sure. What? I swear, I don't know. First, let's see if it works, though. Though the enemy is empty, it's dead. Also, where is my button? Why nothing works suddenly? The button didn't spawn! Why this change the button thing? Also, I'm not taking damage, I realize. So we cannot even check it. Do we take damage? Well, the traps don't do damage, actually. Why is the enemy not showing the health? Is the update feeling bar get updated? Let's see if it's getting updated. No, so by default it starts empty. But why? Because before it was right. What did I do wrong? It's looping every value, but maybe did I change those parameters? NP max MP? No, HP max MP. Did I not change it here? HP? Yeah, this is right. Here, HP MP. Maybe one of the values is not defined. We should check which. Max HP, max MP. It's right here, defined. So yeah, I suppose we should check for any wrong value. So. Alert, we show the first one. And alert, we show the second one. And see which is the problem. Oh wait, I get it, maybe they are not a number. Even worse, undefined. Okay, the problem is in the HP then. Not MP, surprisingly. Why? Maybe they are not... I think I should define it at the start of the game. Right. Where is stored the enemy information? I don't remember. 34 enemy stats, which is definitely not defined. Oh wait, no, we define it here, right? No? Do we define it? 34. Yeah, we did. I remember. Oh, okay, something is wrong. Let's see. 34. Here. We'll read enemy data, but where do we define it? Not this one. Not this one. Not even this one. So yeah, we definitely created it here. Here, 34. Did we mess up? Ah, okay, yeah. Here we are still referencing the old way. Max HP, max MP. Now should be fine. The numbers are right. Let's see. Oh, what's wrong? Oh yes, the problem is here. 752. What's the problem? Undefined. Bar ID is undefined. Picture field information. But update means it's already created. That means when I created the bar, it didn't save any information. But it should. Let's see. First, we should remove the console log and the alert. It's somewhere, I swear. No? Ah, yeah, because I probably alerted somewhere here. I forgot where. Oh no, that would be annoying. Oh no, I think I. Oh well, doesn't matter. So here in pictures. Where was the issue? 752. Again, mostly debugging. Making games. So the picture field information was not defined. But we defined it here. Maybe... Wait, was this even called? Well, I think it did. So, creating bar number, and we add bar ID. Here is updating bar number, bar ID. So we can see the problem. Getting bar 15, 17, which is a health and mana, and now. Getting bar level 17, and updating, but doesn't seem to read the value? Why? It's here, the bar size. Let's see. We should print picture fill information and see everything. I can see everything. Why is the value not showing? Maybe I get it. Wait. Because we delete it and then try to update it. Okay. I'm kinda getting it. So, let's see. So, we can do something. I think will also help. We can automatically show the picture if there is not. So, if the bar that gets every data, it was the picture fill information, right? Yeah. If the information about that bar is not present, that means we may get an error. So, if it's not, if it's undefined, then we draw it again. Show enemy health bar based on the event ID. Okay. Also, there is the offset. The enemy health bar picture offset. All the name. And after that, we continue with our normal stuff. But not defined. Your face is not defined. 80-20. Right here. Ah, yeah. Event ID. Okay. It's instantaneous again, though. I didn't want it. What am I missing? So I change the health bar. I show it, sure. I send 50, we can increase it just to test. I call update filling bar. And the parameter number 2 is the time to wait. By default is 1, but we defined it. Which is here, so why? Why it's instantaneous? What is this? I want to dine again. Dine. Like after 2 hours, I think it's the right time to go eat. We don't need this anymore. And neither the other one, right? So the problem is it's not reading the parameter time, which is 1 only by default. Let's see. Time is equal to, and we'll see. Should be 90. Ah, wrong. $90, yeah, but it's instantaneous. Maybe it's in milliseconds? No. No, no, it's not. It's an RPG Maker command. Weird. Does it call show picture again? No, impossible. Impossible! What if I define the value myself? We can even exaggerate a little. 1000. Let's see. It's over. Well, it's not over 9000. Though it's on the right way. Still instantaneous. Oh, weird. Definitely weird. That means this gets overridden. Maybe by this. Oh, wait, maybe? I get why. Because the picture is not present and draws the picture, but at the current value. So I need to be sure that the picture is present. I will still need leave that in case I try to draw a picture that is not present. But I should at least put an alert. Wait, where is? Here. Alert. Picture. HP picture not present. Okay, here. So I will notice if it happens. So the hide enemy health bar will happen only after we attack. Here. And now we can probably see it go down slowly. Yes. Okay. We can change the value from 100 to time, which will be 90 seconds. Too much, but we can change it later. Okay, here we have it. Would be nice to have an effect like Pokemon where you can see the background of the an extra color, transparent color to see the health damage you have done. That's completely not necessary now, though. Okay, before ending, we should first test the damage of its attack. Let's see. If I don't dodge, I don't think I will take damage. I think it might even crash because it tries to hit it on the event 0. No. So, we need to take damage ourselves now. We need to first define the attack of the spikes, though. Let's see. We can go around here, sure. So we don't need anything of the sort, hopefully. We just need the damage. Physical and damage. Wait, but they need attack. Yeah, the spikes need attack. We can make a parameter here. Just attack. So we can have the spikes having... Or do we want to increase it because later in the game the spikes will do less damage? We can have a special type of damage. Unique. Why not? How do we define it? Maybe we can do percentage. I will still go with attack. Physical. We have the hazard. The hazard is not needed. How do we do damage? I think it should be a variable. For now, though, we can have a fixed attack. Okay. A fixed attack 9. And we can have some sort of... We should check if that's the parameter attack. Yeah, unfortunately, it's kind of weird having a not event attacking you. Well, it's actually an event, but not considered an enemy. Okay, so let's return there. What happens when you take damage from the spikes? Well, we need to check a lot of things. First, we do the simple dodge. and you miss it. For now there's only an animation, but you take damage from the spikes. There should be a missed dodge event then. Let's see. Missed dodge. So, elaborate on missed or failed dodge. Okay, here. We don't need any parameter, right? We should just define it. What does it do? Well, the player takes damage. That's simple. First, it should call a common event though, where I can do all the animation of taking damage. Here. Which will also be called on the dodge mechanic here. Here, instead of doing the animation again. Okay. So that's the animation and calls elaborate on failed dodge, which we will be making now. First though, we need to remember how the player got hurt. Well, I think we can use a parameter. Because we still have the information about the enemy attack. When the enemy attacks, the skill ID will be saved on value 52. We need though to know the action data. So never mind, we need to check variable 53. Action data. So, game variables value 53. And we need to know if it's a spike or not. But I think that's simpler because we can do... though we are calling this though. We can check if the switch in simple dodge is on. I need some water. I'm fine. So if you switch 53, which is the same number, I hope it doesn't confuse. Let if inside minor hazard dodge game switches 53. And so now we check. If we are inside a hazard dodge, that means we are taking damage from a non-living being. Not that it matters, it's all programming, but it's not an enemy with stats. That means we need to check on which tile we are. We need to check in which hazard we are on top on. And we have it right here. Check if player is on an event. I would like to receive the value of it. We can just copy this. We can just copy this, right? Yeah. Here. We get the event ID on which we are on. Then, we check the hazard array. We check if there is an hazard on top of us. We should really recycle this one though. Yeah, could be fine. I think a 2 counts as a true, right? Yeah. Okay, now we can use it. Now we check player is on an event. And we see hazard ID, which we will receive 2 in this case, but later maybe others. What do we do with the hazard ID? Well, it depends where it's saved. Here it's saved on value 40. So we can say where do we save it? So we can define it here, constant hazards, add these to skill, and we have an array. So it's 0, 0, and for the hazard of the spikes, it's stored on the skill 40 here, spikes damage. Okay. So here we can define the we may have a problem because we use a target to send an elaborated damage someone takes. Well, we can do this. If it's not inside the dodge, we just calculate the normal damage, which is use skill on target. Where we need the target, the user, the target, and the skill ID. We know all of them from action data, which it's right here. The move ID, and the 2 is the event ID of the user. So the user that uses the skill is this one. The target is the player, that's 0, and the skill ID is stored on the first value here. And this is the normal solution. If instead the player is inside a dodge, we need to get a little fancy. Just a little. Because here we calculate the damage and everything. I think it's still important to call this, right? We could split this into 2. I don't like the idea of having to change previous things, but I like that I at least make code in a way that can be expandable. So, how do we split it? We just need we can divide this just considering the stats. We just need to send the stats, maybe. So, function elaborate skill damage overall, just to make a unique name. Okay, and receives as a parameter. What does it receive? Target attack defense, which can be magic attack or magic defense, regardless. So, I can just I can just use the damage here. So I can just call it here. Elaborate skill damage overall, calling the target, and the total damage here, which receives as return the stat. No, I don't even need to do it. The rest will do it. I return the total damage after all. We can receive if it kills, maybe. Is dead? So we can return if it's dead or not. Which we need to define later though. Here. So what does this do? It does all the stuff after you take damage. Total damage is calculated here, and here I call it. And returns if it's dead. Return true if it's dead, otherwise not. By default. The damage will be done here. A stat gets the target, total the damage, and gets the HP stat. Because the command that doesn't work yet. Okay, I split this into 2, so I can call this from a skill of a character or from a spike. Like here. So, hazard is elaboration damage overall, and we just need the target, which is the player, and the damage. We need to elaborate the damage though. So first we need to get the hazard ID here. Check if player on an event, which I deleted by mistake. Okay, here. And then we need to send and elaborate the skill damage. We should also return the value, because we return false if the player is dead. Okay. Use skill on target, return something different maybe? Yeah, returns two things. We should also return two things altogether. So we return the total damage, hazard damage, and the is dead. So it matches the return of the other function. How is the hazard damage? I don't know. How is it the hazard damage? Well, we can fancy ourselves and try different ways, but we should just stick to the basics. We get the damage formula here. We get first the value here. Let hazard. Oh wait. To get this value, we need to get the value number 2. So we return here a 2. And we need to get the info inside here, corresponding to the 2 here. We get the value 40, the third one. So now we get access to this. Let's see where we can find the item information. Here. Okay. So now we can get the information. Hazard info. We got here. And we can get here the hazard attack. We can get attack. We can also get a type, but for now we consider that the hazards only do physical damage. So here we will get a 9. The damage then is the difference. For now, let player def is get character info, the player, defense. And now we do the difference. Hazard attack times 2 minus player defense. Should be probably be converted. So how is it? Parse int. Convert it to an integer value to avoid problems. We should do it even elsewhere maybe. Okay, though, but for now it works. I should. It just needs to send 2 parameters, which is the target and the overall damage. Here, hazard damage. One last thing, the bar of the player is specific because it's on the corner, so we need to address it differently. So, it's simple though, because here we have the enemy health bar. It's only enemy health bar though. Maybe we should because we defined our bar with another function, right? Yeah, show feeling bar, a generic bar. Hmm. I think we should join those methods. Or we can use it in show enemy health bar. Hmm. No, we are never showing the enemy health bar, we are only changing the bar. So here we get the info, we get the difference, and we update. So it's basically that. We can, well, I think it's better though if we do something like a function change hero health bar. Maybe it's easier. Okay, simple, we update the filling bar with the ID number 15. And that's it. That percentage will be the health, again, of the player, 0, 0. And we don't need anything else. The time, which should be shared, we go 50. Okay, oh, finger crossed. Let's see if it works. And after we can go dine again. Okay, there is an animation for it, but it's fine. So first, let's see. If the time ends... Hello? Who? HP... What? No, that's... Oh. Wait. Yeah, I was missing that part that draws a picture that it's not present. Because it still calls change enemy health bar. Not change hero health bar. It never calls this. Let's see. If target is equal to 0, we call instead change hero health bar. Otherwise, yeah, we call the change enemy health bar. We should have a single one, but the change is minimal. This time we try on the spikes though. I'm surprised it works. I'm dead though. Is it... was it normal I took this much damage? Should be at least 20 damage, but we have more HP than that. Let's see, battle logistic. Where is the damage? The amount. Wait, we skill here. Alert damage. So we can see the damage, since the pop-up doesn't help. The pop-up is not showing anything. It's 12 damage, but that's the default value, right? Wait, is this right? Come on, let me show. Let me see. The goblin has 7 defense. I have 12 attack. Oh, so it should be around 10 damage, not 12. Is the number 12 hard-coded somewhere? No. Weird. Let's see the enemy. For now, let's see here the damage we take. Maybe we got something wrong with the percentage? No. 6 damage. I feel like I'm already dead, but let's see. And not a number damage. Yeah, that's definitely a dangerous damage. First, let's see. First of all, the bar doesn't update. Oh no, it empties. Why? This is the update filling bar with the ID of the hero. Is the value right? Yeah. 17? What is the 1? And remember what the 1 stands for. The percentage, okay, yeah, makes sense. That percentage is the same as this one, so it shouldn't be a problem. Maybe the event IDs. Not right? No, it should be the same. Ooh. Maybe the value is not saved correctly? Since we saw here. Ah yeah, because... no, wait, no. Because we create the bar, but we save the information. We can see how it works, though. We show the entire picture and see if the 15 is there or not. I should increase the timer, maybe. I don't want to wait. I should add the speed up plugin for testing. Let's see. 6 damage and no, stop. Let's see. The 15 value is here. Seems about right. We can compare it with the mana one, but yeah. It still counts as full though. No, wait, that's the scale. It doesn't store the value. Yeah, it's right. Also, why the time is showing here? We also don't need this. Okay. The numbers are wrong again though, maybe. But how are those wrong? I should maybe print both. I don't think so. What was wrong before? Some of the coordinates. Come on, last thing, then we can go down. Come on. Third damage. And that's it. I'm not dodging. I need a speed up for this though. Six damage. And... oh! Interesting. The character max HP is not defined. But why? It's reading character info. Here. If it's the player... where? Wait, where? Here. No. Here? Yeah. The max HP is stored in the variable 30, value 0. I never tested it, but... oh, come on, why is nothing working? It's stored here. The first value. And it's a integer. Let's see. We alert the value, so we know. We will know. Stay still, don't dodge, it's fine. Just a little more. So, 10, 6, 30, 30. Undefined. Would be practical if we knew which parameter we are checking, but definitely something is wrong. So we saw the other worked. Var_id is the first value. I don't know, wait. We can do a console log. Where we show the meta. Then we add var_id. Then the index. I think it's necessary. And final value. Well, it's this. Now we see. I'm not dodging. One more. Let me go here. Yeah. Okay, this is right. Here. Wait. Max MP. Variable 30 index 0. It's like the variable itself it's wrong. How? How is it wrong? How is it wrong? Max HP is in the variable 30 index 0. This one. Is it used elsewhere? We should print the entire variable maybe. Good idea. We could have seen it in the game though. Now I realize. Oh well, let's see. I think if I fix it, it should be fine. Let's see. We have the values. They seem right. I don't get it. The values all seem right. What's wrong then? Come on, bar. Do your thing. Yeah. Wait. Because it's a variable now. It got overridden. Do I overwrite it? Oh no. I think I do. I think I definitely do. Let's see. We define here, but maybe here variable 30. So variable ID 30. Yeah, here I set the value. Yeah. I should say index instead. Index for the... Also, it's changing the wrong variable. Ah, yeah, because this was the old one. Now it's changing the temporary mana. The temporary variable, yeah. So, set value of the variable... I cannot even set it, right? I need to, like, copy it. Oh, relaxing with music. So we get the value and get the benefit. Let variable. What's wrong? Ah, yeah. And now we set it. Ah, it's already down there. So we set the variable 30 with a new value, which is the variable number based on the variable index. So we change the parameter number 0 or 1 based on HP and MP, which will be, wait, never mind. We define new variable And we will change this parameter in stat. Should be right? So now we don't create an empty variable, or we don't undo all our incredible matrix stuff we did at the start, right? And we wait. Come on, I want to go down. 6. It's not decreasing, but the value now is there. Here, yes. Still, the value didn't change. And we still take no damage. Max MP. Final value none. Why did it change again? The value 0 become nothing. Probably we got something wrong here. I will look for... Okay, listen. We're entering the heavy debugging territory. I think we did a lot today. We saw the enemy bar decrease. That's what it matters, I feel like. For the health bar of the player, I think I can easily do it outside of the stream. We just need some shaking animations when you take damage. And see the enemy health decrease. But again, we are just missing the debugging test. I feel like I did something satisfactory today. So, what do we do next time? I think we should work on, well, adding cost to the skills and everything. And later work on programming the dodges. I still need to work on the main structure of the game though. Okay. So, for today, end of the stream. Let's see if we have enough raid power. We can raid Rainelune. Okay, then that's everything for today. Thanks a lot for coming by. We will tomorrow, well, play another game. We will continue developing this one on the next week on Monday. Same hours as every time. Tomorrow and the Sunday we play games. Tomorrow we continue all the Eragon game for Game Boy, and Sunday Katawa Shoujo. So, thanks again for coming by, and we'll see ya whenever happens!